Good morning, Momshi! So ngayon gagawa naman tayo ng easy kimchi fried rice. Ito yung mga ingredients. Kailangan natin ng butter, ng garlic, ng spring onions, hotdog, konting asin, kimchi, at syempre itlog at sesame seeds na optional naman. Meron ding sesame oil at saka bell pepper. So, una, ihanda na natin ang onion. So, ikat lamang natin ito, Momshies, ng kagaya ng ordinary na cut ng onion. Ihanda rin natin ang spring onions or onion leaves. At ikat natin ito pa diagonal. Ikat rin natin ang hotdog into small pieces. Usually, sa mga kimchi fried rice, ang nilalagay nila ay bacon and mushrooms. Kaya lang, dahil wala tayong bacon, ang ilalagay natin ay hotdog. Ang kimchi fried rice ay Korean fried rice na it is predominantly cooked with kimchi. So, obvious naman kasi magiging red yan. To give it more texture and flavor, a variety of meat and or vegetables are often. Ang pag-prepare ng kimchi fried rice ay great way to use up some of our leftover rice. So, pwedeng-pwede siya na pang breakfast. Or anytime, pwede mo naman siyang kainin, kahit lunch or dinner. Hindi rin mawawala syempre ang butter. So, maglalagay tayo ng 2 slices. So, on a medium heat, preheat the pan, and once heated, we will add the cooking oil and spread it well. And of course, we're going to put the onion. Stir it for about 15 seconds. Then we will now add the spring onions and small amount of sesame oil. Let's stir for 15 seconds. Then add the hotdog and stir well until half of it is cooked. Next, yung butter naman. So, antayin nating matunaw ito. So, ihalo-halo lang natin, lagyan natin ng kaunting asin. Ilagay naman na natin ang ating kimchi. Alam naman natin na ang kimchi ay may maraming benepisyo sa ating katawan. Ang kimchi may strengthen our immune system. It contains probiotics, may slow aging, so magugustuhan niya yan. May aid weight loss. Ano pa ba? May support heart health. So marami pa, hindi lang yon. So this time, we will now add the rice and mix all of them together well and thoroughly. So after mixing it, we will now remove it from the heat. I-prepare naman natin ngayon ang ating sunny side up egg. Let us now serve the kimchi fried rice on a plate. Garnish with the sesame seeds, onion leaves, and black pepper. And then place the cooked egg on top. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.